Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Terry here on Down the Road Productions, and this episode is our 15,000 mile 4Runner maintenance. We're just getting a tire rotation and an oil change today. No big deal, and I'll show you how the truck looks after 2 years of ownership. Very close to 15,000 miles. The odometer reads 14,468 miles right now. I'm getting ready to pull into service. Thanks for being here, and let's get this episode going.
Just then,
I made sure to stop at Starbucks to get my venti iced tea green. As you guys know, the service bays are combined for Volkswagen and Toyota, but what are you gonna do? Looking forward to the tire rotation, and I'm also looking forward to getting a new set of raised white letter Mickey Thompsons on the truck. Same tire size. Eventually I want to get that lift done this year too, the TRD shock. You know what comes on a TRD Pro, those red springs. That's what I'm gonna buy. I just feel really safe with an OEM lift kit. I think it lifts the truck half an inch or an inch, and that's more than enough for me, for my purposes. So here's a quick look at the interior. Everything's like brand new in this truck. Very happy with this truck. It's a little bit dusty. Like I said, it's been a great vehicle. And let me show you the home screen. I'm averaging 17.2 miles per gallon.
12 seconds later.
I guess while I wait to pull in, hey, that new 6th gen 4Runner is going to be out as a 2025 model soon. I believe 5th generation 4Runners are getting scarce. So a couple things to think about if you are going to buy a 6th gen 4Runner and use it for off-roading. I don't see fjording, going through rivers and streams, being good for the electric drive unit between the transmission and the motor. That'll limit people in what they buy with the 6th gen. They may just wind up with a 4-cylinder without the hybrid setup to avoid that issue. And at that point, the V6 5th gen is superior. Getting a 5th gen 4Runner is your last chance to get an old school Toyota. I've told people this in many previous videos. I got nailed for it. Hey, you know, Toyota's torture testing the new Tacoma 4-cylinder and the new Tundra V6. I was right. The Tundra V6s and the Lexus GX550 V6s are having bearing seal failures in the motor. So where was the torture testing for that? Hello.
Hello.
Hey, I have a 10:20 appointment for my 15,000 mile maintenance.
Yeah, no, that's no problem.
Yeah, so you guys gonna rotate the tires and change the oil?
Yeah, if you want to hop out, I'm gonna pull this one in, and then I'm just gonna take the keys for you, okay?
Yeah. Okay, here's what the truck looks like. It's like new. Here, I've got to get these 2 chips just from driving. I'll get that repaired again with Greg. Truck is in great shape. Let me walk around here. Truck is held up extremely well. I did not rust proof it. Again, it's got close to 15,000 miles. This is how you know it's us. Here, absolutely no rust. I want you guys to see that. And then around here, the biggest change here is our Sedona sticker from Arizona. And this, I scratched this up here, so I put the M22 sticker over this, but I'm buying a new rear bumper valance, whatever they call this, and I'll do a bumper remove and put the new one on. Since we have a trailer, you know, and tow sometimes, that's that. So the truck is in excellent shape. There's a scratch here that I'll take it to Greg for classic appreciation. It's like brand new, would you agree? Okay, rock and roll.
Several bad puns later.
Okay, she's in for service. There it goes. Way up there. So are you new here?
Been here 3 months now.
Okay, great. And your name again, please?
Nick.
Hey Nick, it's good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Yeah. I bought like 3 or 4 trucks from Craig already. I'm losing track, you know, the older I get.
Yeah, we've had you in here for your wife's
Lexus. Yeah, absolutely. And there's a good looking SR5. There it goes, people. So I've owned the truck over 2 years now. Is it still in warranty? It's in warranty for 3 years, right?
Yeah, these ones, well, actually I can tell you exactly what you got.
Okay, sure.
So you are, you're still under the 336.
Good.
Yeah, so it looks like on April 8th of 22 is when you actually picked it up.
Yeah, so it'd be April 8th of 26 when the warranty went, or 25.
25.
Yeah, that's fine.
2/9 of 22 is when it was actually made.
Few inches later.
Checking out a 1794 2024 Tundra. These gaps look okay. So maybe build quality has improved a bit on these trucks at Tijuana. This one looks good. I don't think it has a 3-inch lift on it. Well, let me come around here. Regrettably, Tundras are plagued with main bearing seal failures in their V6 engines. A lot of people don't know that it was originally a 2.5 liter or 3.5 liter V6, and they went back to the old block because the 3.5 liter block had problems almost immediately. And all these people on YouTube that said Toyota's torture testing its new engines and it'll be fine, they were completely wrong. I knew better, because it's really basic engineering principle. If you turbo a small displacement block, they don't do a good job of handling all the stress of that turbo over the long haul. Anything's nice, brand new, you know, turbos and trucks just don't make it in the long run. I guess the switch gear is okay on this, and this is like their high-end interior, 1794 interior. So I mean, it's a nice truck. Let's see what it's going for. I don't think there's a window sticker. Oh, maybe it's right here. Okay, let's see. All right, this one is $73,205. Most of the Tundras I've seen on the lot are around 65, 66. So this is a 10 to 11,000 price jump over your normally priced truck, and I don't see a 3-inch lift. It's missing the 3-inch lift. I guess in the big picture I still think that's too much money, but compared to what Ram is charging, GM and Ford are charging for their trucks that probably have worse quality than this one, that's really pushing it. Really nice. They put a seat cover on and put a foot mat. Nice touches like this. Really great service again from Fox Toyota. And here, I'll play these numbers tonight in the lottery. 1489. What a great truck. Hope you guys can get yourself one of the last ones. All right, everyone, time to wrap up this episode. We got our 15,000 mile maintenance taken care of, paid for an oil change, $107. You got to buy now if you want an old school Toyota. They've got 6 coming in here. Nothing wrong with buying a vehicle out of state to save money, so you can call Craig here, tell him we sent you. Guys, thanks for watching this episode. I promise more 4Runner content. It took a while for me to get back to the 4Runner. A lot of motorcycle stuff going on with the Goldwing and our Rocket 3 GT, so forgive me. I'll be pumping out more 4Runner content, more Toyota content soon. Guys, thanks for watching this episode. Thanks for all you do. We couldn't be where we are at without you. Make sure to like this video. It'll help it in the algorithm. Till next episode, take care, be good to each other, and remember, we think of you.